Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go! Dark green color, orange color, light green color, yellow color, blue sky color, dark blue color. A for alligator. B for book. C for cat. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for glass. H for house. I for ice. J for juice. K for kiwi. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snack. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. red color, purple color, brown color, light green color, dark blue color, dark green color, pink color, yellow color, blue sky color, orange color. First shape, heart. Orange color. Heart is orange color. Next shape, circle. Red color. Circle is red color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corner. Yellow color. Square is yellow color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corner. Green color. Triangle is green color. Next shape, pentagon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brown color. Pentagon is brown color. Next shape, hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon is 6 corner. Green color. Hexagon is green color. Next shape, octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon is 8 corner. Purple color. Octagon is purple color. Next shape, elves. Blue color. Elves is blue color. Next shape, rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink color. Rectangle is pink color. Next shape, diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond is 4 corner. Blue color. Diamond is blue color. Heart. Circle. Square. Triangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. Octagon. Elf. Rectangle. Diamond. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.